express unified atomic mass. Express unified atomic mass unit, atomic mass unit in kg. Okay, so atomic mass unit we are writing simply 1 AMU now. 1 AMU or 1 U, 1 atomic mass unit or 1 unit. So 1 atomic mass unit is equal to, remember, 1 by 12 of mass of carbon. 1 by 12 of mass of carbon 12. So that value is directly 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg. This is 1 U or 1 atomic mass unit. 1 atomic mass unit. Okay, that is important point. 1 AU, 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Okay, note down. So next, this is also important. In a system of units, the unit of force is 100 newtons, unit of length 10 meters, and the unit of time 10 seconds. Then what is the unit of mass? What is the unit of mass in this system? In this system. So here system of units which you want, what is the system of units are unit of force. F is equal given 100 newtons and length L is equal given 10 meters and time T is equal given 10 seconds. Okay, this is one, which type of system? This is MK system, meters, kg, seconds. MK system. This is MK system. So he is asking mass. What is the mass? Unit of mass in this system. Okay, so very simple. This system is which system? That is newtons, meters per second. This is a MK system or SI system. The system is SI system. The system is called SI system. So therefore, so what is the unit? So unit of mass is kg, because of that is SI system. SI system, MKA system are same. Meter, kg, second. Meter, kg, second. Okay. Length is meters, force is newtons, mass in kgs, time is seconds. So but here, how many number? What is number? So by using which formula? F is equal to MA formula. F is MLT power minus 2 formula. Force formula MLT power minus 2. So okay, is equal to M. So this is the dimensional formula of force. M, dimensional formula of mass. M, dimensional formula of acceleration. So dimensional formula of acceleration. Sorry. So we want only M value. F is equal to ml t power minus 2. F is equal to ma. Okay. F is equal to m into a. M dimension formula, mass dimension formula m. Acceleration dimension formula lt power minus 2. M lt power minus 2. Okay. This is F value. Okay, but we want m value only. M. So m is equal to that is F divided by L into t power minus 2. Okay, so therefore m is equal to F value. 100 newtons divided by L value 10 meters into 10 power minus T value 10 seconds, that is 10 power minus 2. So therefore 100 divided by 10 into 10 power minus 2. So 10 power minus 2, that is 10 power 2. Okay, that is 10 power 2. Pi go the 10 power 2 aitu. So 10 0 0 cancel. So that is how much now? 10 power 2. So t is equal to time is equal to 10 seconds. It right or not? Sorry, here t is equal to 100 seconds now given 100 seconds. So therefore you write 100 into 10 power minus 2, that is 100 square, that is 100 square time 100 seconds. So therefore 0 0 100 square means 4 zeros 1 0, total 5 0, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, that value is 10 power 5 kgs. Mass m is equal to 10 power 5 kg now. M is equal to 10 power 5 kg. Velocity of a body is given by V is equal to AT square plus BT plus C. So when V and T are expressed in SI SI system explanation. What is V? So V is velocity, T is time, V is velocity, T is time. So now by using this equation we can find out the units of A, B and C. Units of A, B and C. Okay. How to find the units of A, B and C? By using principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. So principle of homogeneity, I am writing V is equal to AT square and V is equal to BT and V is equal to C. What is V here? V is a velocity. So therefore A is equal to what now? V by T square. V by T square. So V units are meter per second and second square. Therefore that is meter per second cube. These are the units of A. Next to V is equal to BT. We want units of B, that is meter per second. Meter per second divided by second, that is meter per second square. So here V is equal to C, C is equal to V, so that is meter per second. He is asking A, B and units. A unit is meter per second cube, B unit is meter per second square, C unit is meter per second. Next, in the expression P is equal to E into L square m power minus 5 G power minus 2. So here show that P is a dimensionless quantity. We prove the P is equal to dimensionless quantity. What is E? So E is given and E is energy. L is angular momentum. Given not length nana, L is called angular momentum. M is mass. G is gravitational constant. G is called gravitational constant. Okay. So then what is the formula? P is equal to E into L square m power minus 5 G power minus 2. So now energy. What is the dimensional formula of energy? So that is m L square T power minus 2 now. L is what? L is angular momentum. So angular momentum dimensional formula is ml square T power minus 1. ml square T power minus 1 whole square, and mass dimension formula m. So m dimension, mass dimension formula is m nana, that is m power minus 5, and g, so g dimension formula m power minus 1 l cube t power minus 2 whole square, t power minus 2 whole square. So here g value and l value already మనం చెప్పినాం, ఓకేనా. సరే యాంగులర్ మూమెంటం చెప్పలేదు కాబట్టి దీన్ని ట్రై చేయండి, యాంగులర్ మూమెంటం అండ్ g వాల్యూ మాత్రం చెప్పేసినాం నేను డైమెన్షన్ ఫార్ములా ఎలా వస్తుందో. సో మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, యాంగులర్ మూమెంట్ అండ్ డైమెన్షన్ ఫార్ములా కూడా ఈజీగానే వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ హియర్ కంపేర్ m వాల్యూ, m పవర్స్, m ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది పవర్ 1, ఇక్కడ పవర్ 2 ప్లస్ minus 5, here minus 5, here minus 2, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus minus 2, okay. So into l square plus 4, here minus 6, 3 into 2 minus 6 into t square minus 2 minus 4, okay, sorry, minus into minus plus 4. So that is 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, sorry, 2 plus 3, this is plus 1, this is plus, ఇది ఏంటి ప్లస్ రావాలి ఇక్కడ, మెయిన్ పవర్ 1, that is power 2 minus 5 minus into minus plus, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, so plus 5 minus 5 0. So here also plus 6 minus 6 0, plus 4 minus 4 0. So that is dimensional class quantity m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. So ఇది దీనిలో ఉన్న యూనిట్స్ అండ్ మెజర్మెంట్స్లో ఉన్న లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఓకే. దస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్. డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ డైమెన్షనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇవి ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఇవి వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇంకా ఇంకా కొంచెం పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ఐపీ, ఓకే.